Okay, one thing that is often a question, even if it goes to like stock nitrate or like grazing corn stalks or grazing, uh, even kind of cutting forage sorghum. It's always about nitrate content in the stock. And so for this video and for this kind of segment, we're going to talk about nitrate distribution within the plant and why it's so critical to sample appropriately. So what we have here is a corn plant laid out. And what we're going to do is we're going to clip this. Let's do every 4 inches so we have enough sample. But we're just, the purpose here is to demonstrate how the nitrate level changes as we go up the stalk. So I'm just going to go ahead and mark this out right now. And I'm ignoring, nodes and everything. I'm just going straight off the distance here. So we'll go clear up to 36 inches, which is right there at the base of the ear. So we'll analyze these segments for nitrate, and that'll be an interesting way to see that distribution of the plant and where it's storing its excess nitrogen.
So looking at the results of our segment project, again, we started across the x-axis is our nitrate concentration. Y up and down is our stalk length or stalk height. You'll see that the pattern is generally as we moved higher in the plant, the stalk nitrate concentration decreased. And then you'll see right where our segment is supposed to be taken, that 6 inches above the ground, 8-inch segment, that's kind of that highest area of concentration. So say we went too high, we would have diluted down our sample, and we would have been well below what we would have thought would have been a good nitrate concentration. So we would have had a poor conclusion on how our nitrogen program went. We could have said we were only marginal, so we actually shorted our plants, when in reality, we fall right within that optimal range when the sample is taken from our appropriate plant spot. So again, this shows the importance of selecting the correct segment of stock. It also, this is kind of a example too, is if you had another kind of C4 grass for hay purposes, like a sorghum Sudan or sorghum grass feed hay, that the further up the stalk you're moving, the less nitrate concentration there should be. So when you're sampling out there or cutting and you're worried about nitrate, the further up the stalk you can move to cut, probably the lower, in general, the idea of the lower concentration you'll find for nitrate.